In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom network to your MetaMask app, specifically the Sidra network. Whether you're new to MetaMask or already familiar with it, I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can confidently set up the network on your own. Let's get started. First, open the MetaMask app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Once installed, launch the app and enter your password when prompted. This is the password you created during your initial setup. Enter it carefully and tap unlock to access your wallet. Now that you're logged in, look for the network menu in the top left corner of the screen. This drop-down shows which networks your wallet is currently connected to. From the options, select Add a custom network. This option lets you manually input the details of the network you want to connect to, Sidra in our case. Start by clicking on the network name field and typing in Sidra. Make sure to spell it exactly as shown to avoid confusion later. Next, enter the RPC URL. This URL is crucial because it tells MetaMask where to send requests for the Sidra network. Double check the information to ensure accuracy. Then input the chain ID. Every blockchain has a unique chain ID to identify itself. Entering the correct one for Sidra is important to prevent any issues when interacting with the network. After that, fill in the currency symbol. This represents the token symbol used on the network, similar to ETH for Ethereum. Enter the correct symbol for Sidra here. Finally, don't forget to add the Block Explorer URL. The Block Explorer is an essential tool for viewing and verifying transactions on the blockchain. Once all the fields are correctly filled out, tap Save to complete the setup. You've now successfully added the Sidra network to your MetaMask wallet. Great job! Before saving, double check all entries to ensure everything is correct for smooth use of the Sidra network. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.